What's up, bros? This is Everything iPhone Pro. We're playing Hydro Thunder right now. Oh, God. Oh, God. Come on, let's get this. Come on, come on. This game is just freaking awesome. Let's go through here now. Woo! Sorry if you hear those other voices. That's just my family. Yeah, I'm really sorry. Woo! Dang it. Oh. This is a restricted area. Pull over immediately. I really don't give a crap if it's restricted. No, 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 no. He's gonna block my exit. Screw you, man. My next video is gonna be a GTA 5 video. Don't forget to subscribe. Definitely leave a like. Leave a comment too. Let's see who's gonna win this. I'm in 10th place. Okay. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Beat this loser. God. Okay, I'm in 9th place. God, I'm screwed. See you later, bros.